Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a scrapbook, Stamp and Scrapbook Expo haul that I went to Dallas yesterday, and I found them on Facebook. They go all over the United States, so I will find their Facebook group and tag it down below so that you can see if you can find one. This is the smallest one in 10 years. It only had like 25 booths. It only took like an hour and a half to go through, but I found some really cute stuff. So let me move this out of the way. And this one might only be uh, part one. I might have to do part two. So I went to Echo Park, um, and I bought these, and they have really good deals. So let's just go through them real fast. So this is a 6x6, and you were able to get them for $2 each. And this is the David religious type, and I got these, and it's double-sided, so I'm going to go pretty fast so that I can try to get through all this. But this is really cute, especially for uh, using it for like Easter or a religious holiday to make a 6x6 little album, um, or, you know, First Communion album or baptism album. So there are those sheets. So there's that one. I'm going to go fast and then I'll show you the big ones too. This is first day of school, and they are online and they have sales online. So I would go check them out. Uh, but this is very cute, especially if you want to make a little 6x6 brag book for a grandmother or great grandmother of the kids going to school. Um, that would be very cute. But for $2, you just can't go wrong. You can make all kind of little things. You know, you can make a scrapbook album or a junk journal or even just a regular journal. This is Daniel. Let's see, that one was David. This is Daniel, and this is another religious type. These people are based out of um, Utah, where scrapbooking first began 30, 40 years ago. I think it's repeating itself. There's angels. It's really pretty, and it's almost more boyish colors if you're struggling for boy colors. So yeah, it repeated itself. So here is our baby girl. 24 double-sided, 30 double-sided paper, 65-pound cardstock, which is very good quality. Oh, these are pretty peachy colors. This would be a very good little album to make and just trim down your pictures. Since this is 6x6, I would make the album 6.5 by 6.5, and then this is the page size. But it is really cute. Now I'm wishing I got this in 12 by 12, but that's not a problem. I can go online. I always like to have one or two baby um, papers because I make albums for family or friends, and you always want to have a baby when there's always babies. So that is really cute. But for $2 each, I spent, you know, I think I got 10, so $20. This one is Love Notes, and the newer patterns that they have, they didn't bring them out as much. This is their stock from, I think, maybe last year, but they still have. And they said they have a bi-monthly for $29 new mystery box, and I think I'm gonna join that. Whoa, has it repeated itself yet? Because I know it does. This is very cute for Valentine's Day. You can make your own cards and trim the papers down for Valentine's Day. So I always get a Valentine's cardstock. Here is one that is our baby boy. This is so pretty. Oh, I love the colors. Let me go in. I should have went in some so you can see better. I love blues and browns and blues, browns, and peaches. I only went to 4 stores or 4 businesses and bought some stuff. Has it repeated itself? I think it has. So if it has, I'm sorry. It's so fresh that they're kind of almost stuck together. Isn't that beautiful? That was nice. So that was the little Our Baby Boy. But they make it in 12 by 12, so if you're looking for it. And here is the last one of the 6 by 6 My Favorite Things. And I haven't looked at any of these because they had tape and I pre-cut the tape, so I haven't even looked at these. So Windows, so I'm happy to be looking at it for the first time with you. I don't really open packages when you're shopping there. You just look on the front and back and try to figure it out. It's very pretty. Windows, doors, butterflies, UK kind of cars, umbrellas, vintage bicycles, journaling cards. I think that is that a door or a British phone booth. Okay, so now here are the bigger ones. This one is It's a Girl, and it is 12 by 12 double-sided papers. And I think you get stickers too. So these were $7 each, and then after I bought it, they put some stuff on sale, and I'm like, to $5 a paper pad, but I had already spent all this, so I didn't go back and I didn't need any more. But I should have got the little boy and little girl one of this. I just didn't think about it. But you were ready to go. My sciatic nerve was bugging me, so I needed to leave. But look at these little cards. And then on the back side, oh, it's so hard to choose which one. I hope there's 2 of each. That's very pretty. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, look at the little, what is it? Those little things you put above the crib and it goes around, carousel thingamajigger. That's so cute. This is so cute. And then there, that's really pretty. I hope the colors are coming out for you. And then the baby bottles. And then that's the back. This is a very pretty page. Then that's the back. Oh, I fell in love with the deer, but I love the elephant, the owl, the fox. Oh, that's so cute. I love that they come with cards because you really do use those. Oh, I forgot to show you the backs. I'm just flipping through. The safety pins are so cute. That's a pretty color. This peachy and green is just beautiful. So if you're looking to make a baby album for a little girl, Echo Park Company, um, and I asked the guy, I said, do you sell better at the shows or do you sell more at um, your warehouse? Look at the stickers that come with it. That's a lot of stickers. And he said they sell more at the warehouse than the shows. The shows are just getting smaller, but I was glad they're there because I'm able to see what is going on. So there's that one. And then here is It's a Boy. So let's go through this. And then I have 1, 2, 3 after that. So this is almost done. Sorry I'm taking so long. Okay, so the next one is It's a Boy. Oh, look at the rattles. They're so cute. And then I forget to show you the back. And then the little cards. Here's the green. And then the I'm thinking that I have it backwards, that this is the back and this is the front. I'm 99% sure. But it's whatever you choose. But look at that. That is so cute. Oh, there's those little carousel things. I forget what you mobiles. Look at the bow ties and more cut of cards. This is only one copy each. I wish it was two because it's going to be hard to choose. The bottles are so cute. It's going to be hard to choose seafoam green, which one to use when you're making a scrapbook page. The polka dots, no, they're stars. They're really pretty. Oh, look at the clouds and moon. Now look at these stars, and then there is more cut cards. These are stars. Oh, the safety pins. Oh, I love this plaid. This is so pretty. So I should have bought two because I need one of each. But there you go. I don't even know who I'm going to make it for yet. So, oh, my favorite page is right there. Isn't that so cute? Yes, and then look at all the stickers that you get with it. And to make a sticker not sticky is just put powder underneath it, and you can use it for like almost a chipboard type style. So let's move this out of the way. Go to the next one. So I did buy this, and this is 24 double-sided paper, and here it is real fast, but I'm going to show you the big one. This is Disney, and it is called Wish Upon a Star 2. So um, let's open it up and see what's inside here. So I think I have Wish Upon a Star 1 from them. So hopefully I can find it. And we go to Disney once a year. My daughter has Florida residence, so we get Florida resident prices and go when it's not as peak sometimes. But anyway, and we take the kids and grandkids at Christmas sometimes. But anyway, here we go. Oh, that's so cute. You can just tell it's Disney style and Disney theme. Oh, the monorails is one of my favorite. That is pretty. I love that they are cut apart cards. Um, yes, vacation, and it does feel Disney. I don't know why. Primary colors. I like this one. Total Magical Day. The Magic Kingdom. There's so much you could do with this. Uh, it really is nice. There's always fireworks. Sometimes we stay for them, sometimes we don't. Feel the magic. Say cheese. Our happy place. And then look at all the stickers that come with it. Oh, that's so fun. Okay, so now I have two more to show you. So it is our little princess, and it had a castle in it, so that's why I grabbed it. This is 24 double-sided, which I wish they had this not double-sided, but I wish I had two of each of this. But there is unicorns, and it just looked Disney to me a little bit, but now that I'm looking at it more, it's kind of like more of a birthday, which is great. I have two little granddaughters, so it will get used. It is beautiful. Let me go through this fast because I'm going to show you the big one. I love the spring colors on this is really nice. Okay, so let's just look at the big one so it's easier. Okay, beautiful. Wow, that is really nice. Really pretty. Aw. You could almost do Disney, but it also really reminds me of a birthday. Yeah, it's either one to me. So if you're looking for good quality paper, can you hear it? From Echo Park, I will find their echopark.com. It says echoparkpaper.com, acid free. So this is actual scrapbook paper from years back. Sometimes we add brads, which are not acid free, and all kind of different glues and tapes. So we got to be careful if this is what you're really into. But you can make cards, you can make birthday banners, journals. So beautiful. And then look at all the stickers that come with it. I mean, there was a little girl there that was buying her own papers and making her own projects. So this is called the last one, Little Boy. And I got it because I was thinking about Axel and maybe making him some kind of little album that he can have himself uh, to play with and hold and look at. Not necessarily for his mommy. I give him the little one and give his mom this big one. So let's look at this one. And remember, this is there. We didn't get to see much of their brand new stock. This is stock that they've had out. So some of y'all may say, I already saw this. Does it say how much is in this? Because it feels really thicker. It is very much thicker. It has a linen feel to it. Uh, it doesn't say how many pieces are in here. It probably says it somewhere and I just don't see it. But it's got a linen feel. It's very nice. Wow. It is even better quality. Wow. It is nice. Maybe this is one of their, oh, I don't know why, but this is very nice. Made in America, which is so nice. But wow, I love, this is linen. I can tell because I use linen paper all the time. But wow, the texture is just amazing. Axel has little army men. I think he gets them in his Happy Meals sometimes, and he throws them off the deck. This is such a great paper for just a little boy playing. I may have to make something for my nephews, but then I have so many, so I'm like, how do I do that? Well, I'd make one for the mom and add all the kids. This is perfect paper for a little boy. I mean, Axel has all these toys I keep seeing. So, and look at all the stickers that come with it. So this is part one, and this was my first haul, and then I have three other companies that I'll show you that won't last as long, and I will put the link of this company. Um, uh, so this is from cartabellapaper.com, and this is not from the same maker, and that's why the paper feels different than these right here from Echo Park, but they must be selling or be in business with each other because that's the difference. But it's Echo Park is where I got it all from. So that's my first video. I'm going to stop here and I'm going to show you my next haul, part 2.